Hello, welcome to another video from Vertical Attitude. This time we're replacing the number plate lights here and here. This one's not working, and on inspection they weren't very good, totally rusted. So there's two screws, I'll unscrew it from here. So, as you can see with this unit, it's totally rusted right at the ends. The connectors are totally rusted. What I shall do is cut the wires and fit new connectors. So I've got some of these at the moment. Hopefully they'll do the job. I need to make sure they fit these first. I've got LED bulbs instead of the normal bulbs, supposed to be brighter. Obviously 2 units. Got these from the caravan storage place, not storage, accessory place. So this is the LED lights. I should put a link in the description. Got them off Amazon. Can't remember the price, £6 or something like that. You get 4 in a packet, and if you're interested, you need to get the canvas free ones. I'll put a link, like I said. I'm going to do this one. I may or may not solder the wires at the end, depending on how they're fitting the connectors. So we'll get on. And first job, like I said, I'll check these, make sure they fit these, and then get on with the job. So I've just snipped that one. I'm going to pay attention to the orientation, so the solid side to the solid side. I'll put the new bulb in, so strip this back a bit. Connectors do fit, so actually that's not looking very good. It's pretty black by the look of it, so I may have to go back to good wire, plus I might have to put an extra bit of wire in there, so we'll chop it back a little bit more. Still pretty black there. I don't know how far to go back. I don't know how far the cable I've got here. Yeah, I can't go back too far. Shall do is make sure get some good insulation. I want to put the whole new unit back together, so I'm going to have a little go a bit further back, maybe to there. I'll try it again. Yeah, it's not brilliant, not brilliant at all. Yeah, they're not shiny, are they? I can't go back too much more. So I'm now twisting these together. Do it nice and tight. It'll either light up or it won't. And then hopefully that go in there. Probably will, just need to twist it a bit more. Squeeze this together. No, it's not. I need to fetch another tool just to crimp that end. Can't say I'm happy with that. I'll just put a spade on, just check the continuity. I think I might have to go underneath and unravel the wire further back. Maybe put an extension on. Okay, crimp that up. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll throw the multimeter on it, and let's turn the power on first. Guessing maybe like that. Yep, we definitely got a reading. There's definitely power coming through there. Okay, we can see that this is nice and bright. It's a lot brighter than that one. Eh? Okay, I went back with the wires. Unfortunately, it's still quite black. But the power's coming through, so I'm going to tape all this up, put it back in, and then do that one there. Okay, both units on. Look at that. Very bright, very good. Okay, I'm happy with that. So that's how to change your number plate lights if you didn't know. It's not too hard a job. So look forward to seeing you next time.